Have you ever felt like there's a hidden key to life's mysteries, something known to the ancient Egyptians and early scientists, but largely overlooked in our modern world? Well, what if I told you that this ancient knowledge, this timeless wisdom, has the power to unlock your deepest desires and reshape your reality? Today, we're embarking on a journey of discovery, a journey that will take us back in time to learn from the wisest civilizations and forward to apply their knowledge in our lives. The mirror effect is not just another self-help theory. It's a profound principle that's been hidden in plain sight for centuries, and it's time for you to access its incredible potential. In this video, we're diving deep into the mirror effect, breaking it down step by step, so you can harness its power to manifest your desires effortlessly. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're dedicated to bringing you life-changing content that empowers you to live your best life, and you don't want to miss out on what we have in store. Now let's journey together through the corridors of history, from the ancient Egyptians to the present day, as we unveil the ancient secrets and timeless wisdom that make the mirror effect the most potent tool for transformation you've ever encountered. Stay with us as we unlock the mysteries of this extraordinary concept and show you how to incorporate it into your life for lasting change. To truly grasp the power of the mirror effect, we need to start with the basics of how your mind and emotions shape your reality. The foundation of this concept lies in the information you receive from your five senses. This information gives birth to two fundamental elements: emotions and attitudes. Think of these as the raw materials for your experiences. Your brain processes, records, and stores these emotions and attitudes, much like a camera capturing images. As you go about your life, your mind interacts with the world through your five senses, constantly gathering information from your surroundings. The key here is that this information is then neurologically processed, resulting in the formation of emotions, beliefs, and ultimately, your personality. So, in essence, your personality acts as a mirror that reflects your personal reality. It's the lens through which you perceive and interact with the world. This brings us to the core of the mirror effect. The equation of emotions plus attitudes equals personality, which then mirrors your reality. Now, let's explore this concept in greater depth, because it's here that the mirror effect truly reveals its intriguing nature. Unlike the mirror in your bathroom, which provides an instantaneous reflection of your image, the mirror effect introduces us to a fascinating dimension of existence, one that operates with a captivating time delay. This time delay is not merely a glitch in the system. It's a fundamental aspect of how the universe responds to your emotions and attitudes. Imagine this scenario. When water transforms from its liquid state to steam and eventually to gas, it undergoes a gradual and intricate process. Similarly, the emotions and attitudes you hold toward your desires act as the stages of this transformation, representing creative energy at its core. However, this creative energy doesn't rush into immediate action like a sprinter off the starting block. Instead, it flows like a meandering river, exerting a steady influence on the physical matter that makes up your life circumstances. Consider this universal mirror as a marvel of real-time interaction, but with an enchanting time lag. This time lag is not a hindrance. It's a feature that allows the intricate choreography of manifestation to unfold in perfect harmony with the cosmic rhythms of the universe. In essence, it's the universe's way of orchestrating the grand symphony of your reality, allowing the masterpiece to be painted stroke by stroke rather than in one hurried brushstroke. Now, let's take a profound dive into the power of belief and habitual feelings within the context of the mirror effect, because this is where the true essence of transformation lies. What you've been habitually feeling and believing holds a staggering amount of influence over your life, often surpassing the strength of your conscious desires. Let that revelation settle in for a moment. You might have fervent aspirations for financial abundance or a loving, fulfilling relationship. These are undoubtedly your conscious desires, your wants in life. However, hidden beneath the surface of your awareness are the deep-seated emotions and attitudes you've carried with you for years, perhaps even since childhood. These emotions and attitudes have silently woven the fabric of your existence. Imagine you have a burning desire for financial success. You want to amass wealth and achieve financial freedom. This is your conscious desire, the picture you've painted of your ideal life. But lurking in the recesses of your psyche are negative beliefs about money. Perhaps you were taught that money is the root of all evil, or you witnessed financial hardship during your upbringing. These deeply ingrained beliefs act like an undercurrent, subtly tugging at your desires. In the complex dance between your conscious desires and your entrenched beliefs and emotions, the latter often takes precedence. Your negative beliefs about money can overpower your conscious longing for financial success, creating a turbulent inner conflict. Consequently, you may find yourself stuck in a cycle of financial struggles, wondering why your dreams remain elusive. The same principle applies to relationships. Consider this scenario. You yearn for a loving, harmonious relationship, but your past emotional experiences have left scars. Perhaps you witnessed your parents' tumultuous marriage, or you've been hurt in previous relationships, leaving you with deep-seated emotional wounds. These early emotional experiences may have led to attitudes that relationships are inevitably painful, or that love comes with strings attached. Here's a transformative exercise you can incorporate into your daily routine, a practice that can serve as a key to unlocking your true potential. Every morning, stand in front of your mirror. Take a deep breath, allowing your body and mind to settle into the moment. As you gaze into your own eyes, affirm your objectives with unwavering conviction. Tell yourself, I am worthy of the money, the love, and the health I desire. I am good enough, and I am smart enough. During this daily ritual, something remarkable occurs. Those deep-seated emotions and attitudes that have silently held you back, that have acted as the unseen architects of your life, begin to surface. They emerge from the shadows of your consciousness, offering you a golden opportunity. As you confront these long-buried emotions and attitudes, you possess the power to transform them. It's akin to wiping away the fog from the mirror of your reality, allowing you to clearly see your own thoughts and feelings about yourself. I challenge you to commit to this exercise for just 1 to 2 minutes every morning. Observe how your external world begins to shift as you clear the path for your true desires to manifest. The mirror effect is your key to unlocking the life you've always dreamt of. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey into the depths of the mirror effect. If you found this video enlightening and empowering, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay connected with us on this incredible voyage of self-discovery and manifestation. Always remember, you don't merely get what you want, you get what you are. It's time to change what you see in the mirror and start creating the reality you desire and deserve. Until next time, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.